In this video, I am going to find arc lengths in polar coordinates. Let's consider this example. R is equal to 6 cosine of theta. By the way, this is nothing but a circle. So if you were to graph it in rectangular coordinate system, this is what you're going to see. X, Y. This is the center, 3, and this is 6. So now we are going to find the arc length here as theta goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, which is basically finding the circumference. And the formula for arc length here is L is equal to integral a to b square root of r square plus dr over d theta whole square d theta. Now we already have r, so we can find r square, and dr over d theta, or derivative of r with respect to theta, is going to be d over d theta 6 cosine of theta. That is going to give me dr over d theta to be negative 6 sine of theta, or square of it is going to be 36 sine square of theta. Now all I'm going to do is plug in these values. So this is going to go from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 square root of r square. R is 6 cosine of theta, r square is 36 cosine square of theta. Similarly, dr over d theta is negative 6 sine of theta, square of it is going to be 36 sine square of theta, and then d theta. Now that is going to be equal to integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 square root of 36 times sine square of theta plus cosine square of theta. Sine square of theta plus cosine square of theta d theta. But sine square of theta plus cosine square of theta is 1. So 36 times 1 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So that's going to give me L is equal to negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. 6, I'm going to bring it outside. Just d theta, which is going to be 6 theta evaluated from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, which is going to be 6 times pi over 2 minus 6 times negative pi over 2. And if I simplify it, it's going to be 3 pi. Negative and negative is going to make it positive, plus 3 pi, which is nothing but 6 pi. So my L is going to be 6 pi as expected, because the circumference of this circle is going to be 2 pi r. R is 3, so 2 pi times 3 is 6 pi. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.